Okay.
Hi, my name is Ruben Bray and my number is number 12 and I ride in the Ohvale UK Cup. And my highlight in 2020 was finishing a season on a geared bike and coming third in the championship. My goal was for 2021. It was to move into the 160s, but we stuck to the 110s because of the coronavirus and because we don't have enough training. And hopefully on the 110 I can get a win and come first in the championship. But I know it will be hard because there's a lot of good riders and it will be really challenging. Someone sucker?
Hi, my name is Zach Weston and in 2020 I rode the Ohvale UK Cup. My highlights of the year are riding and having close battles on track with my mates. I'm looking forward to 2021 as I'm stepping up into the Mini GP 190 class on my new 190 Evo. My goals for 2021 are improving my racecraft and potentially getting a podium or two.
Hi, my name is Izzy Carter. I'm 12 years old and I race in the Ohvale Cup 110. A couple of highlights from last year was definitely completing my first season of racing on a geared bike, and I'm really pleased and happy about the battle and passes because they were really fun, and definitely pleased again because we got to actually race because some of them were stopped because of COVID. Some goals for this year are to get into the top 10 and do better in my qualifying sessions. Bye.
Hi, do you want to introduce yourself?
Yes, please. My name is Wilson Dilks. I'm 7 years old. My race number is 85 and I race in the 110 Ohvale Cup.
Thank you. And what was 2020 like? What were the best bits in 2020's race season?
I got 3/4 was my best finish result.
That's cool.
And in my qualifying, I got a 3rd.
Oh, that's good. And what was that race like when you qualified third?
Well, it was at Three Sisters in the race. Then I was battling for a podium and then it just went. And then I finished 5th.
That's cool. It was a really good battle though, wasn't it?
Yeah.
And looking forward to this race season in 2021, what are you looking forward to in that?
I wanted to ride the 160, but I think I'll be too young.
So what are you going to do, and what are you hoping that you'll achieve?
Well, I will hope to get maybe some podiums and some wins.
That'd be cool, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
And what are you looking forward to off the track?
Well, I like playing my game MotoGP, so I might race against Arnie, Cameron, Marco, Josh, Travis.
Yeah, basically anyone that wants to race you, you'll race them. Cool. And is anyone you'd like to say thank you to?
So Tony Hathaway for EVI, Steve Priest, Steve Magpie, Mum and Dad, Grandpa and Granddad.
Cool.
Bye.